Do you want to write emails that get great results in sales? Well, today I'm going to let you steal my email format. That's right. Every week I send out an email newsletter, and I'm going to pop onto my computer today and show you the exact format that I use so you can use it too. My name is Steph Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using digital marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Now, I've been using email marketing since 2016. So if you haven't seen any of my other YouTube videos on email marketing, check out these. There's 3 of them, okay? They're all here to help you use email to your advantage and why email marketing is so important. But today, here in a second, I'm gonna pop into Newsendler, the platform that I use for email marketing. But inside, I'm gonna show you my email format and how I'm getting above average results with the emails that I send every single week to my network. Let's check it out. Okay, so here you can see my email. It says, what happened this week? That's my subject line, and I keep it the same every week. The thing is I get an excellent open rate with these emails. So I have found that it doesn't matter that I'm not varying my subject line. People know what to expect with my email, and they know that the people who are opening it week after week like it. So I just roll with it. So here's what happened last week. I have a few sections to this. So you're going to see the first section is a YouTube video, right? I'm on YouTube. You're watching this on YouTube. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. If you're getting some value out of this, hit subscribe, give me a like. But every week, I let people know, hey, this is the YouTube video I released. So you could do the same. If you have a podcast or a Facebook Live or a blog, whatever you're releasing, content-wise, your pillar content every single week, I highly recommend sending it, pushing it out to your people. If you don't know what pillar content is, check out this video, the content that sells. Okay, the next thing in my emails, I'm redirecting people back to my free Facebook group that's primarily for prospects, for people that I want to tell, hey, like, here's how to do marketing. Here's how to do it really well. It's called Create Stories That Sell. If you're not in it, go ahead and hop in the group so you can get some free value so you can improve your marketing strategy for your business. But I always link back to a question that I've asked in the group that week. So for example, this week I said, want to know the #1 productivity hack I use every day. And then they can click on Penny for your thoughts, and that leads them directly to the post inside the group to get more information. So if you're using Facebook groups for your business, and if you need some tips on them, check out these videos. I have everything Facebook groups, the best membership questions to ask in Facebook groups, how I use guides in my Facebook groups, lots of videos to help you get the most out of your groups that you're using. And I'm redirecting my people back to the Facebook group to engage every single week, okay, with valuable information that's going to help them win. And then I always do a, hey, here's what I'm loving right now, okay? So this could be an affiliate link or just something that I use for home life or business, but this helps people get to know me, get to know my style, things like that, and just share something cool. So it could be a book. Here I'm showing a minimalistic accessory that I use. It's a wallet and a little AirPod carrier that I use. This is a picture exactly of mine, so I'm keeping it very real and just saying, hey, like, check it out. After that section, then I move on to just a quote, okay? So I'm a big Harry Potter fan. If you haven't caught on to that already, if you've been watching me a while, you probably know that. And so I always share just a Harry Potter quote that I love. And then the last part of my email is simply a, hey, it's my signature block, come hang out with me. And I link where I'm hanging out every single week when it comes to social media platforms, which is Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So there you can see the structure. I have my pillar content, my Facebook group question, something that I'm loving right now, a quote, and then my signature block with social media handles. Cool beans, right? Head on over to stephanieparisi.com for more marketing tips that are here to help you win in business. And before you leave my channel, check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen. And I'll be back next week with another fun video just for you.